A few moments later.
Indonesia adalah negara dengan kasus non-perokok terbanyak.
Kesehatan rokok juga dapat menyebabkan kematian. Mirisnya, jumlah perokok di Indonesia semakin tahun semakin meningkat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, my name is Laode Imani. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University, kampus Kaliabang. I'm here to give my opinion on the danger of smoking in the campus area. Introduction. Smoking is a habit that influences the consumption of tobacco through the burning of cigarettes. On many campuses, smoking is a problem that affects the health of individual and the surrounding and environment. The campus as educational institution should create a healthy environment and support student development. One way to achieve this is to limit or regular smoking habits in the campus area. Number 1. Health impact of smoking. For active smokers, smoking can cause a variety of serious diseases like lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and a respiratory disorder. For passive smokers, around smokers, exposure to secondhand smoke is also harmful. For non-smokers, cigarette smoke contains many harmful substances that can increase the risk of respiratory diseases, cancer, and heart disorders. 2. Impact of smoking on campus areas. Health problems. The presence of secondhand smoke in campus areas can harm the health of students, faculty, and campus staff, especially those who have health conditions like asthma or allergies. Environmental cleanliness. Cigarette butts that are thrown away carelessly can cause garbage that pollutes the campus environment. It can also cause fire if not disposed of properly. Poor social behavior. Smoking in public spaces can affect the image of the campus, which would support health and a positive lifestyle. Many students, especially young ones, can be influenced to try smoking. 3. Smoking policy on campus. Many campuses around the world have implemented policies that forbid smoking in campus areas. This policy aims to create a healthier environment for all academic community members. Raise awareness about the dangers of smoking and encourage healthy living behaviors among students. Reduce passive smoking impact. Minimize the negative effect of secondhand smoke on non-smokers. Steps by campus to control smoking. Provide special smoking area away from public areas to protect non-smokers. Conducting and socialization and anti-smoking campaigns, education students on the health risks of smoking. Provide facility to quit smoking, such as counseling programs or health counseling. 4. Alternative to smoking. Campus can offer healthier alternative to students such exercise and physical activity to reduce stress and improve mental health. Counseling and mental support help students overcome smoking education. Promote healthy lifestyle. Education about diet, exercise, and stress management. Okay everyone, closing remarks. Smoking in campus areas has a negative impact on the health and the environment by creating smoking policies. Campus can become a safer and more comfortable place for everyone. Education and support for smokers to quit is important so that the campus can set a good example for healthy lifestyle. Thank you very much. I am Laudi Mani. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
500 orang meninggal dunia karena rokok. Fakta data mengajak Anda mengingat kembali bahaya rokok bagi kesehatan diri dan orang di sekitar Anda. Di Indonesia, kampanye untuk meningkatkan kesadaran masyarakat akan bahaya rokok masih kalah gencar dengan iklan-iklan rokok. Tidak heran, Indonesia masih jadi surga para perokok. Data The Tobacco Atlas 2015 menunjuk 2 dari 3 remaja laki-laki maupun usia produktif merokok. Fakta ini menempatkan Indonesia di peringkat 1 dunia untuk jumlah pria perokok di atas usia 15 tahun, diikuti Rusia dan Tiongkok. Industri rokok di Indonesia sepertinya tidak akan mati. Ini karena ada 90 juta perokok di negeri ini yang jadi pasar produk tembakau.
Corvette, hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Hit me like that, hit me that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that?
Met this pretty thing, nice to meet you, mucho gusto. Sweeter than a churro, she call me Papi Chulo. Yeah, I'm single, baby girl, but how?
Pada 2014 di seluruh dunia diperkirakan ada 5,8 triliun batang rokok dihisap. Jumlahnya tiap tahun terus meningkat. Di Indonesia sendiri data Kementerian Kesehatan tahun 2011 ada lebih dari 225 miliar.
Asap rokok dalam ruangan sama bahayanya dengan polusi luar ruangan. Asap rokok disebut menjadi sumber polusi dalam ruangan nomor 1 yang sama berbahayanya dengan polusi di luar ruangan. Berdasarkan riset di Rumah Sakit Persahabatan tahun 2017, anak-anak yang tinggal di rumah dengan orang tua yang merokok memiliki resiko gejala pernapasan seperti batuk, sakit tenggorokan, dan sesak nafas yang jauh lebih tinggi dibanding anak-anak yang di rumahnya tidak ada perokok. Dengan munculnya gejala pernapasan tersebut, terbukti bahwa nilai ambang batas kualitas udara di dalam rumah bisa lebih buruk, bahkan sama dengan kualitas udara di luar ruangan yang di atas normal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. My name is Laode Imani from Bina Sarana Informatika University with name 442408552. Jurusan Ilmu Komunikasi. What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of the tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are or are usually carried out in present. When is present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event to a general fact that is happening right now. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject, it will be accompanied by a noun verb, which we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. What is the simple present tense formula? What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus verb 1 plus complement for positive sentence with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Nominal simple present tense. How do you make simple present tense sentence? The following is a sample present tense formula that you can use. Plus subject plus to be plus complement. Subject plus to be plus not plus complement. To be plus subject plus complement. Examples of simple present tense with nominal sentence patterns. Plus I am international school students. I am student. She is not an international school student. She is not a student. Is she an international school student? Is he a student? Verbal simple present tense. Of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is subject plus verb plus verb plus s plus complements. Subject plus does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Sesuai dengan pembahasan sebelumnya, pada kalimat verbal kamu tidak perlu menambahkan to be setelah subjek karena yang bertugas menjadi predikat adalah verb. Positive, affirmative, simple present tense. Positive, affirmative, simple present tense sama seperti nominal. Kalimat verbal pun tentu memiliki bentuk positif seperti yang sudah kita bahas di awal. Contoh kalimat simple present tense. I live in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. He live in Jakarta. Dia tinggal di Jakarta. Positive, affirmative, simple present tense. Negative simple present tense. Nah, khususnya untuk bagian kalimat negatif dan kalimat tanya, maka gunakan do atau does, atau do not, don't, dan does not, doesn't. Contoh, I don't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. She does live in Bandung. Dia tinggal di Bandung. Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. Setelah merangkum penjelasan sebelumnya, berikut ini beberapa contoh present tense. 1. Menggunakan kata kerja dalam kurung verb dalam bentuk dasar infinitif atau kata kerja tak beraturan yang telah dikenal contoh. I play soccer every weekend. Dalam kurung play adalah kata kerja dalam bentuk dasar. Yang kedua, memakai kata bantu auxiliary verb yaitu do atau does. Untuk kalimat verb adalah bentuk negatif dan interrogatif. Contoh, she does eat meat. Dalam kurung doesn't sama dengan does not. Kata bantu dalam bentuk negatif untuk subjek she. Function and use of simple present tense. Express feelings and emotion. Dalam kurung mengekspresikan emosi dan perasaan. Kamu lagi sedih, atau mungkin kamu lagi memikirkan sesuatu. Jangan ragu, kamu bisa mengekspresikannya melalui kalimat simple present tense. Contoh kalimat: feelings, I am sad to hear you bad news. Aku sedih mendengarkan berita buruk darimu. Emotion, I always thankful because have a great best friend. Aku selalu bersyukur karena memiliki sahabat yang baik. Function, use of simple present tense. Command or instruction, memberi perintah untuk instruksi. Draw painters or use fingerprint to unlock. Gambar pola atau gunakan sidik jari untuk membuka kunci. Pour the juice into the cup. Tuang jusnya ke dalam cangkir. Explanation, simple present tense. Kalimat positif. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Cows at grass. They ate 3. They speak English at the office. 4. He like bananas. 5. They play basketball every morning. Explanation, simple present tense. Kalimat negatif. 1. They don't have any money. 2. Lala doesn't hit Peter in the class. 3. My best friend doesn't love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. California is not in United Kingdom. Explanation, simple present tense. Kalimat interrogatif atau kalimat tanya. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Where does she lunch? 5. Does he ride the motorcycle? Explanation, simple present tense. Verbal, simple present tense. Simple present, kalimat positif. I like pizza. She like pizza. We watch a movie every night. He watch every movie every night. S plus verb 1. Penambahan s digunakan pada subjek pronoun he, she, it. Dialog Linda and Arjuna. Linda: Hi, my name is Linda. What is your name? Arjuna: Hello, Linda, I am Arjuna. Linda: Do you live in here? Arjuna: Yes, I do. I am your neighbor. Linda: Oh, where is your house? Arjuna: I live in block 3. My house number is 444. 45. Linda, do you live in your parents? Arjuna, yes, I live in with my parents. How about you, Linda? So do I live with my parents. My house number is 28. Do you have sibling? Arjuna, I have a sister, but she live in Jakarta for study. Linda, that's good. I and the other neighbors like to play together in the flat every afternoon. You can join your anytime when you want. Arjuna, you're so nice, thank you. Oke, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.